will go wherever you are.
Okay, so dalawa na lang po ang natitira. So kapag tinawag ko po yung Mr. Valentine, so automatic yung pong matitira, siya po ang ating Mr. SES. Okay, so ang ating pong Mr. Valentine ay si contestant number 6.
Ang ating pong Mr. Tulukan Elementary School ay si contestant number 10.
Yung guro. Anak, si ano muna? Number 6 muna.
Muna natin number 6.
Teka muna.
Doon ka muna ang king sa likod.
Said hello, I turned to go.
Ay si contestant number 8. Number 8, Sir Joseph.
Beautiful girl,
Doon mga magulang at picture ni contestant number 8.
when I saw
Ang tawag
you,
po sa
you had opened the door. I knew that I'd love again after a long while. I'd love again. You said hello, and I turned to go. Once again, after a long.
Para naman po sa ating second runner-up, ito po ay si contestant number 6. Teacher, akit na po.
Beautiful girl, wherever you are, I knew when I saw you, you had opened the door. I knew that I'd love again after a long while. I'd love again.
Ang ating pong first runner-up ay si contestant number 2.
Beautiful girl, wherever you are, I knew when I saw you, you had opened the door. I knew that I'd love again after a long while. I'd love again. You said hello, and I turned to
10. So, ang ating pong Miss SES ay si contestant number 9.
you are.
Okay, so ang ating Miss Valentine ay si Desiree.
When I saw you,
Miss Valentine.
but something in the eyes left my heart behind. So I just knew that
Guzman para po iputong yung corona ng ating Little Miss SES. Mami, sandali po. Nakabit po yung corona ni Ate.
I knew that I'd love again after a long while. I'd love again. You said hello, and I turned to go. But
Ay nakuha ni Kalahok bilang isa. Male, senior category, bilang isa.
Kasi mataas ang mistakes dito na magpapalang pa.
Third runner-up goes to contestant number 3. Male category, male po, male. Tinatawagan po namin si si Brother Ariel para po samahan si contestant number 3. Second runner-up goes to contestant number 4. Contestant number 4. Tinatawagan ko si Sir Arnold para po samahan yung magulang sa pagkakabit ng dad. Siya po ang pinagmamalaking Mr. DepEd ng Angat. Mr. Sinsioco, Arnold Sinsioco.
long while I've loved again. It was destiny's game, for when love finally came on, I rushed in line only to find that you were gone. Beautiful girl, I'll search on for you till all of your loveliness